What's up, guys? You're on S Motorsports. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining in. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. That really helps me out. Lets me know that you guys like the content I'm putting out as well, and it helps the channel out. Hopefully it'll help it grow. So today, we're gonna be working on the Camaro. Today, we got a little bit of everything. We got a kind of a quick garage update, as well as a quick small project that I'm gonna do. So, as you can see, I've been doing some work in the garage. We got everything, you know, all painted and everything. Got some banners hung up. Started painting some of my shelving. Got a couple of them up. Got a TV in here now. This was just our old TV. So now I can watch myself. No, that's just copyright. But hopefully I'm gonna get, you know, I gotta get an antenna and stuff. We just have antenna out in the shop, so I can watch, you know, some football and stuff. But still working on getting cabinets up here. That'll probably be next summer because now it's getting cold, so it's a little difficult to paint. But getting things a little more organized. Got a project right over there. You could probably tell what that is. That might be for that car. So today we're gonna be installing a skip shift eliminator. I can't remember where I bought it. I'm pretty sure I got this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, obviously. But yeah, it's really just a cap, or you know, a plug. I think it has a resistor in here, so you don't get a code or anything, and then just a plug for the other connectors. So this should be pretty simple. Got a couple other items here in the future we'll throw on. Still waiting for plates, actually. Just got the car registered, so I'll be throwing this on when I get the new plates, and a couple other items there as well. Let's get installing the skip shift. As most of you are aware, that it's very annoying. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and show you where that connector is. Whoa. There's definitely a tight fit under here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got this connector right here, and then this one right here. You can see the blue connector on the end. That is the skip shift. So that's what we have to disconnect, and then we will plug the solenoid, and we'll plug the other cap into the harness. Alright, so this is what we got in the package. Like I said, this is the part that's going to go into the harness, and then this is just a plug for the solenoid, so we don't get anything crap in the electrical connectors there. And like I said, this is fully reversible too. If you ever want to just take these out and plug it back in, it'll work in case you ever sell your car. Okay guys, I just use one finger, grab that whatever connector piece. It's pretty tight. Alright, so I got the plug. See, we're gonna put that in the solenoid. Okay, new tactic, using a small screwdriver and putting it in there and kind of hold on to it. See if I can snake that up in there. Okay, I'm struggling. New technique. We just kind of barely taped the connector to my finger with electrical tape. So I can kind of get it up there with one finger, hopefully. Okay, so as you can see, I got maybe you can see. Okay, I got the blue plug on there. It snapped in. So now we got to do the bottom side. Okay, so this one should be a lot easier. Okay. So we're just gonna zip tie this back up to the harness. Now you just gotta snip off the zip ties, being careful not to cut any wires. Okay. All right, guys, well, that's it. Got that installed. That wasn't too bad. Honestly, the hardest part was getting that connector up there. Just my hands didn't fit up there real well. Tip for that would be, I was trying to get that connector in, and I was feeling for when the pins kind of inserted, and I was expecting like a normal, the Deutsch connector pin. But I wasn't getting that feeling that the pins were aligning. And then here I looked at the connector. Yeah, there's no pins in there, obviously, because it's just a plug. And so it was just a plastic hole. So really I was trying to feel for something that wasn't gonna be there. So really I just kind of got it aligned and then pushed harder, and then it snapped up in. So I was probably making it way harder than it needed to be. But yeah, it took me a little bit, but made sure that I didn't break anything. And then I put a couple extra zip ties on that other piece that goes to the harness, just to make sure that that's nice and secure, and it's not going to move around too much. So I won't be able to test it out right now, but hopefully I'll be able to take the car out for a few more times yet this year and get a drive in, and hopefully I can give you guys an update in the next video how that worked. I'll let you guys know what I find out next time I drive it, if it does it, or if I get any codes, but it shouldn't. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, until next time, thanks for joining in.